All right, in the Nitro Harley pits, here is Andy Beauchemin, all the way from Canada. Andy, how are you doing, sir?
Doing good. We're here, so everything's going good so far.
We are on the brink of another season. It's been a cold winter up in Canada, but now you're in sunny California. What are your thoughts here? A lot of excitement and a lot of tough competitors this year coming out.
Oh yeah, there's the best are here. It's just if you wanna be the best tracks, the best conditions, best people, this is where you got to come to. So it's a long trip, but we're here and looking forward to the races. Hope we qualify.
How many hours from Canada?
26 hours, 26 or 28 hours to here.
Wow, you did log some serious hours. Now I see you guys are already wrenching away on the motorcycle. What do you got going on?
We're putting a new strange carbon brake on it.
Oh wow.
Monster Race Products made all the stuff for us, so we just came out and they had it already with Sam Wills and
that's the great Mitch Brown from Monster Race Products.
Yeah, and Sam Wills, they machined the parts up so we can come here and throw it on and go for it. I've been off the end of this track before and it wasn't much fun. So.
Well, that's a beautiful piece, and I know that a lot of riders talk about how short Pomona is. That sand pit comes up quick, doesn't it?
Sure does, and it's deep. Once you hit that, it makes a mess of your bike.
Wow. So you're going to go straight into eliminations with this new setup? Does that give you any anxiety or pause that you're not going to be able to test it?
Oh, no. It's all good stuff. It's a better system than what I had. It's just, it all fits, all the parts are machined properly, so no, it'll be better off than what I had.
Excellent. Now, yeah. Career best DT for you, 641, correct?
Yeah, 642, something like that, yeah.
What's it going to take? Do you see yourself able to improve on that this year?
The bike's, this bike's been in this racetrack 2 years ago. We didn't have very good ignition on it, kept dropping holes at about 1,000 feet, but we were right side by side with Jay Turner. He ran a 628, and it looked like we were close to a 630, in that area. So, yeah, no, it'll definitely run. We don't run much, though. Last year, the whole season, we made 10 passes. And
10 passes in the whole season, wow.
Yeah, it's hard to run with these guys. When they've been testing, we barely get to run a whole season. Like it's, but we can do it. But we get to run against the best here, and they're great guys, and we can learn. And the tracks are good. And right now, when I left, it was minus 36 degrees where I come from.
How about that? And we got snow on top of the mountains here in Pomona, but luckily it's a nice 50 degrees or better on race day. Now here's something else that I heard. I heard the corrected altitude. We're looking at like 400 feet. They're calling this a mine shaft this weekend. Are you guys excited at the conditions?
Yeah, always have good conditions here and great track. Like I said, I think we're going to do well. I really do. I'll show you my front tire. I got to show you this.
Let me see. We're taking a look here at the Nitro Harley pits as the NHRA, Mickey Thompson, Top Fuel Harley class, getting ready to.
We loaded our bike in the minus 36 degrees, and we rolled our bike from the shop to the trailer. We got here, and this is how our front tire was.
Oh my gosh! That's from the cold?
Yeah, I guess so. It's just all cracked.
Wow. Well, thank goodness you guys found that before making a hit, huh?
I'm glad we found another tire, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, just shredded right off.
That is too wow.
Too cold.
Final thing I got to ask you here. For somebody watching, there's so many who will watch who have never made a pass on a Top Fuel Harley. How would you describe that experience?
I don't know. It's exciting. I don't know. I just love it. I run jet cars, nitro, funny cars, and the bikes, and out of all what I've done, the bikes are the best. It's a handful, and they're hard to ride, but they're a lot of fun. I don't know what to say. It's just it's my favorite out of all what I've done.
Very cool, and I see you got your hard-working crew chief over here helping you. It takes good help to get these motorcycles ready, doesn't it?
Yeah, we don't have Rob very often because he's got his own shop and stuff. So we go to the States, Rob usually comes and gives us a hand. Otherwise, me and the wife and volunteers. We got Rob helping us now, and Mitch Brown's coming out for Saturday to help us out on Sunday. And So usually volunteers is how we run.
Well, Mitch is a good guy to help. Top fuel winner from the Man Cup Finals. How about that, huh?
Mitch is a great guy. I'd like to do some more stuff with Mitch, but it's me and the wife. The wife over there, she's the one that does all. She's the one that keeps us going.
There she is. Had to make an appearance. It's the great women of motorcycle drag racing to make it go around. Well, thank you so much for this look at your bike. We loved it. Anything else you would like to add?
No, just hopefully we can, if we can qualify this weekend with these guys, we'll be happy. Even if we don't qualify, if we run well, we'll be happy. We're just happy to be here, and we're just hoping to qualify. That's all we can hope for.
Well, good luck to you. We wish you the best. We know it's going to be a tough field, but only takes one good run to sneak in there, right?
That's right.
Good luck.
Okay, thank you.